Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Zable account. So if you also want to log in Zable account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Zable application if you want. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to log into your Zable credit card account, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in jable.com/credit cards login and press enter. But if you want to log into your loan account, for that what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in jable.com/loans/login and press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Whether you're trying to log into your Jable credit card account or your loan account, you'll have to enter your email address over here. Simply enter the email address that you applied with. Simply click on the field of email address. Now enter the email address over here. Once you enter the email address, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to receive the email from Zable. In that email, you'll be able to find the link. Simply tap on the link that says login to my account. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Zable account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.